Practical number 8. Here we have to write Python program using set data structure. First part, we have to write a Python program to clear a set. For this purpose, we will use set object clear method, which removes all the element from the set. In the first statement, we are creating a set C. We are assigning it a value for string red, green, black and white inside opening and closing brace. This will create a set containing 4 string. We will print the original content of the set using print statement. Print set C will print red, green, black, white. Using clear method of set object, we are removing all the elements from the set, and after removing all the elements of set, we are again printing set C variable. So if you run this cell, you can see that original set elements were white, green, black, red. After removing all the elements using the clear method, you get empty set. Empty set is represented by set opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis. Part B. Here we have to write a Python program to find maximum and minimum value in a set. So we have inbuilt function max and min to get maximum value from a collection and minimum value from a collection. We will use max and min method to find maximum element and minimum element from a set. In the next program, we are creating a set containing integer elements. Inside opening and closing brace, we are passing integers 5, 10, 3, 15, 2, 20. This will create a set with the name set n. We will print the content of set n using print set n variable. We will check the type of set n. It will print that it is object of type class. Then we will find maximum of this set. So we have to call max function, pass it a argument set from which maximum element is to be found. This statement will return the maximum value from the set and it is directly printed on the user screen. Similarly, to find minimum value from the set, we will call built-in function min, pass it a set variable. This will return a minimum value from the set and it is directly printed on the user screen. Click on the cell and run the cell. You can cross check the output. Original element of the set were 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20. It is object of type set, class set. It has maximum value 20 found using max function and minimum value 2 found using min function. Practical 8 part C. We have to write a Python program to find the length of the set. For this purpose, we can use length function, inbuilt length function, to get the length of a iterable. In this case, our iterable is a set. So we are creating an empty set using set method. To create an empty set, we have to use set method. This will create an empty set as set1. Using set object add method, we are adding elements to the set. So in the second statement, we have added 8 to set1. In the third statement, we have added 9 to set1. In the third add method, we have added a tuple 6, 7 to set1. So set1 contains 8, 9, 6, 7, 3 elements. 2 are integers and third is a tuple of integer containing 2 elements 6, 7. So set contains 3 elements 8, 9 and a tuple 6, 7. Then we will use length function, inbuilt length function, to get the length of iterable. In this case, we are passing set1 to get its length. So length of set1, it contains 3 elements. Here value 3 will be returned and directly using the print statement, it will be printed on the user screen. Therefore, print the length of the set is length of set1, which is 3. To cross check that our set contains 3 elements, we are printing content of our set which are created. So click on the cell and run the cell. You can see set was created, 3 elements were added and then printed. The length of set is length of set1, it will return 3. To cross check whether it contains 3 elements or not, we printed variable set1. So it contains 8, 9, 6, 7. That's it for this video. Thank you.